big shakeup for international students. The US just killed duration of status. If you're an Indian F-1 student, J-1 exchange visitor, or even a journalist on an I visa, this is going to change everything about how you plan your future in America. For decades, F-1 and J-1 holders could stay in the US, as long as they were enrolled or employed legally. No fixed end date, just valid status. That's what duration of status meant. But DHS now says no more. Instead, you'll get fixed visa terms just like other categories. Here's what that means. F-1 and J-1 visas will be capped at a maximum of 4 years, after which you must apply to DHS for an extension. The grace period is shrinking too, only 30 days after graduation to leave the US or switch status. Program changes will be restricted, making it harder to switch majors or degrees mid-course. For I visas, the new cap is 240 days, with even stricter oversight for journalists from certain countries. For Indian students, especially those in long academic programs or relying on OPT, this adds major uncertainty. You may now need mid-course extensions just to finish your degree. DHS frames this as a national security move, claiming checkpoints are needed to verify compliance and prevent fraud. But universities see it as another barrier. For Indian students, who already struggle with visa delays and OPT stress, US education may start to feel riskier compared to Canada or Australia. The rule isn't final yet. It's in the public comment stage under docket ICEB 2025, and universities and advocacy groups are already pushing back. But the message is clear. If you're an Indian F-1 or J-1, this means more planning, more paperwork, and less certainty. Type "still studying" if you're facing this new rule right now, and subscribe for daily immigration updates. Real talk, no sugarcoating.